All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is part number 3 of fold number 1. For this one, we are still writing a polynomial in factored form. So we have our first one here, which is our x cubed minus 81x. Because the constant is 1, we cannot pull out anything from the 81 here, but they both share an x, so our greatest common factor here would be our x, and that's what we're going to go ahead and pull out. So we have x cubed divided by x, we actually get x squared. And then negative 81 divided by 1 would still give us a negative 81. And x divided by x would just give us 1. So multiply by that, just be negative 81. Now I can see this is once again a difference of two squares. I can rewrite this as x times x squared minus 9 squared, because 9 squared is 81. Ooh, excuse me. 9 squared is 81. That means I don't have to actually do the factoring. I can just go ahead and rewrite this. I'm going to do it in black. X times x plus 9 times x minus 9 would equate to this, just like we had the lesson before. You can double check this by doing the FOIL. If you do x times x, give you x squared. X times negative 9 would give you negative 9x. 9 times x would give you 9x. And then negative 9x plus 9x would give you the 0 that goes in between. And then 9 times negative 9 will give us negative 81. Going on and moving on to the second part of this one, we have an x cubed plus 9x squared plus 18x. For this one here, once again, the only common factor we have is just x. That'll just leave us with a, if we do x cubed divided by x would give us an x squared. 9x squared divided by x would give us a positive 9x. And 18x divided by x will just give us a plus 18. Now we're going to go ahead and factor out our plus 18, or actually the whole quadratic here. So we have our 18, the number that multiplied to equal 18, and that add to equal positive 9. We have 1 and 18. Doesn't work, because this would either be 17 or 19. 2 and 9. 3 and 6. Okay, so 3 times 6 would equal 18, and 3 plus 6 would equal 9. So that kind of works out. Oops, not 3 and 3, 6 and 3. So that means we can go ahead and switch to our black. Our original x would come down, and then we have our x plus 3 and our x plus 6 to finish off the factoring. So these are all polynomials in factored form.